Growing up, I heard stories from my mother about a patriot on our family tree. So about 10 years ago, I filled out an application for the Daughters of the American Revolution. My patriot's name is Preston Goforth.
Jacob Landis.
Dr. Johann Peter Saylor.
We worked together on a lot of projects, most notably the grave cleaning here for the America 250 project for our chapter. This is St. Mary's Episcopal Churchyard. There are 18 patriots here. 6 had previously been identified and honored. This is Bose Reed. He was a colonel. We need to clean their gravestones and properly honor them for their contribution.
My patriot's name is Daniel Reed. He is my 4th great-grandfather. Daughters of the American Revolution was founded 1890. After the 100th anniversary of the American Revolution, great interest came about in the United States to pay honor to our patriots who fought for our independence.
I brought my family tree here. So you can see all DAR daughters are lineal descendants of an American Revolutionary War patriot. They either fought in the war for independence or they helped in some way.
We are the result of thousands of people coming together.
Specifically, the people we've marked here are patriots of the American Revolution, and they played a huge part in our freedom. It's miraculous when you clean a grave. You can say the name of the person and really make sure that that story comes to life. This is Elias Boudneau of the Continental Army.
We give out scholarships. We support the Alice Paul Institute. We've gone to many naturalization ceremonies where we make bags for our new citizens. We try to get into the classrooms. It's one of our primary goals is to educate about our American history. It's our nation's DNA. This cemetery is our nation's DNA, and we grew from that.
We actually made a spreadsheet of all of the patriots buried in Burlington County, and there are 8 pages, and we're looking forward to, between now and 2033, having all of Burlington County's patriots honored.
Anyone interested in learning more about the Daughters of the American Revolution can go to dar.org.